Who is that? Who is that? Look. You're on TV. Look. Look, Rio. Rio. Hey. You're on TV. Look. Hey, baby. Rio, come look. You're on TV. What are you doing? He's hiding from the camera. No, he's chewing on my hair and he's tickling my ears. You're ticklish. What are you doing, you silly bird? Rio, come and look. You're on TV. Thank you. Look, Rio. So sweet. You're a sweetie. Yes, it looks like he's going into your mouth. No. What are you doing? This is my lovebird over here. I get it. My lovebird. Aww. That's all good. You're my new man. How about that? Give me kisses. Hey. Can I kiss him? Oh, thank you. You're so sweet. Ooh. What are you doing? Come here, Rio. Look, you're on TV. Come here, birdie. Whistle. Look, you're on TV. That? Rio, look, you're on TV. What? I think it was the people. Rio, look. He's trying to act all cute. He's like, I'm showing off that I have a new girlfriend. He's sweet. See, look at my new girlfriend. So my other friend was jealous. Come here, Rio. Quit chewing on my eye makeup, bud. Rio. Look. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Can I pet you? You're acting like a sweetie the first time we got you. Come on. He's like, hands off. You're violating and you're trespassing. Say, back off. He's biting your shirt. Here, Rio. You better not put no holes in my shirt, Buster. You better. You already tried to. Ow! God. I can't believe you just bit me, you big butthead. That's not nice. God, he grabbed on my shirt. He grabbed onto my pinky. I'm gonna put you back in your cage if you don't be good. Be a good Mom, boy. He's not your freaking child. What are you gonna do? I'm training him. Are you grounding? I will. To his cage. Gonna put him in the corner of it. How about that? Wow, yeah, he has to be trained. He's still a baby. Aren't ya? I think Nathan is too. Don't. Alright, please don't chew on my nails. It's hard enough. I cannot grow them in. Let alone having a birdie chew them off the rest of the way. I don't think they're going to grow no more. I know. Probably need to get on. I guess I'm past due for a church manicure. You a butthead. He's gonna flog you in a minute. Stop teasing him. Dog with the blog. Come here, birdie. Move your hand, Mama. What are you doing? I'm recording the bird. No, I'm talking to him. What's he doing? What you doing?
Somebody, somewhere.
That's funny. He's like, he's a little jealous. You being jealous. He kisses her. Oh, you're so sweet. Mom, later on, can we go to the store or something? Yeah, we want something at the mall.
How can they turn their heads?
Oh my gosh, Mom! Do you know how the American flag is red, white, and blue? There's these ones at Hot Topic that they're white and black.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, it's you know how people think that there's gonna be a zombie apocalypse? That's what they say it's gonna look like after the zombie apocalypse. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Doesn't that kind of look like Polly, just a different color mohawk?
You better be good. Oh, you're being a meanie.
I love the shoes, like seriously, Mom.
Can the bird fly yet?
No, he's got his flight feathers trimmed.
What the heck is he doing? His wings are popping out. Oh my god.
Oh, wow. Hey.
You're gonna fall.
Say, look what you done did. Say, leave me alone. I'm sorry. It wasn't my fault. I'm trying to help. Ow! I didn't do it. He did.
He's like, I'm gonna have a nest right here.
You want to get on? Oh my God.
Come on, give her kisses. Whistle. See, it gets on you whenever you whistle.
Look, who is that? Who is that? Oh, look at that pretty bird. Look at that pretty bird. Oh, boy.
It looks fake on the computer.
Oh, man. My eyes are swollen, aren't they?
Get your tail out of my face.
Get your face out of my butt, you midget.
Whenever he pops out his wings, they get blue.
I'm
Mom,
translating what he's saying.
Mom, whenever he pops out his wings, they turn blue. Like they start to turn blue. And Mom, the mall opens at 12.
What if
Like
he just bit
everything
your
opens
nose?
at 12.
If he bites my nose, I'm going to bite yours. Think about it. Ow! Come on, boy.
Okay, so that's my mom's bird. A cook.
Really? You're not posting that online, are you?
Probably. I can just blur out your face. I know how to do that. Okay, peace.